All right, so here we got another cable. So the extension cord, cold weather, 16 gauge, which is okay. It's like pretty standard. And this is 3 meters in length, or 9 feet, whatever you guys want to look at it. Around it, there's not that much info. Here it does tell you 16 gauge. 16 gauge is fine for standard use. You don't want really heavy machinery to be plugged into this. It does say that it will remain flexible down to -50. But anyways, let's just open this up. So again, this is 3 meters. So that's how 3 meters looks like around it. Now, here are the plugs themselves. So we have them on one side, also on the other side. There's only one here. This almost looks like there's something there, but there's nothing. It's just here. And then on over this side, that's where you guys get to see everything. And this is pretty good to hang it wherever you need to. Other than that, it's a pretty basic cable. Let me just show you the other side. It's not much information. And around the cable, usually that's where we take a look at it. It says made in China. So we'll take a look at that. So here is some information. If you guys can see it, it's kind of hard to read, but there it is. Some information on the cable itself. There's not too much. Again, pretty standard cable. It's a little bit better than the normal ones. It is 16 gauge, so that's not really heavy duty, but for most use, it's normal. This is what you guys want. If you guys want something for heavy machinery, something that's gonna require a lot of power, you need better gauge than this, or at least 14 or 12. 12 would be the best one. Obviously, it's a lot more expensive. I'll lower the gauge. So hopefully this video gave you guys an idea, at least, about the cable itself. Now before I end the video, I just hooked it up so you guys can see there's an LED down here below, and so it does light up. So that's why this is transparent. It's a good thing when this has that, just in case you might need it at nighttime. It is good. It's not that bright, obviously, but it's bright enough so you can see it. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.